This is my rod, and it's horrible. And so I decided to break it. This is gonna be breaking this rock. It's a limited time edition Penn State rod. Ready for this? Here, put the camera down on the ground. Yeah! Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna throw it. Let's see how much pain the rod can take before it breaks. Already, none of the guides have come off. Okay, I'm done with there. This time, wood we're going to put. No problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. Let me try this time. Oh my god, it's so durable. There's a little coming off of Oh, I think it broke. It broke. The tip broke. Grab to the other piece. My head. This is golfing. It's pretty. Did you get it? Yeah. This is pretty sturdy. Didn't break at all. And now, time to put it to the test. Oh! Oh, yeah, 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 yeah!
I'm not afraid.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that.